If you're looking to master Descript's playback speed controls and get through your editing work faster, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use these powerful playback features to make your editing process more efficient, whether you're creating podcasts, video content, or transcriptions. Stick around till the end because I've got an exclusive bonus for you that will take your Descript experience to the next level. Now, let's jump right in. Descript's playback speed controls are essential for anyone who's editing audio or video. This feature allows you to control how fast or slow your content plays back while you're working, making it easier to spot mistakes, analyze phrasing, or just save time when you're reviewing long transcripts. First off, you'll find the playback speed options in the Descript editor at the bottom of the audio or video player. You'll see a small button that typically says 1x. This is the default speed, but you can change it to whatever suits you best. Whether you need to speed up the playback to scan through the content quickly or slow it down to catch every detail, this control gives you total flexibility. To adjust the playback speed, simply click on that button and choose from the options: 1x, 1.25x, 1.5x, 2x, or you can enter a custom speed. For instance, if you want to hear something more clearly or at a more natural pace, slowing it down to 0.75x can be helpful, especially when listening for pronunciation errors or making fine adjustments. On the other hand, if you're working with a lengthy video or podcast and need to speed up the review process, increasing the speed can save you a lot of time without losing comprehension. One of the coolest aspects of the playback speed controls in Descript is that it applies to both audio and video tracks, so you're not limited to just one format. It works for your audio recordings when you're transcribing or editing podcasts, and it also works seamlessly with video content when you're cutting clips or reviewing edits. But here's a pro tip. You can also toggle between the playback speeds without even clicking the button. Just use your keyboard's shortcuts for speed control. Press the Shift key along with the left or right arrow to decrease or increase playback speed. This is great for when you're in the middle of a session and don't want to take your hands off the keyboard. It's all about maximizing your efficiency in Descript. A lesser known feature is that Descript allows you to adjust the playback speed independently of the system-wide settings. So if you've got a specific project you're working on, you can tailor the speed specifically for that, without it affecting your other projects. This gives you full control over your workflow for each unique task. You can also customize your playback experience by adjusting the pitch to match the speed settings. This is especially useful if you don't want to deal with that squeaky chipmunk sound when you increase the playback speed. With Descript, it compensates for the pitch change, so voices stay at a normal tone regardless of the speed. Now you may be wondering, how do I get started with Descript's playback speed controls and more? The good news is you can try Descript completely free from the first link below, and we've got exclusive bonuses for you when you sign up, which I'll reveal in just a bit. These playback speed controls are incredibly handy, but they're just the beginning of what Descript offers to streamline your editing process. Whether you're using it for transcription, podcasting, or video creation, Descript's tools are designed to save you time and make your work more efficient. Remember, if you're new to Descript, play around with these playback speed options and experiment with what feels best for your projects. It's a small feature that can make a big difference in how quickly you can work through large amounts of content. To get started with Descript, make sure you take advantage of our exclusive offer, giving you access to an extended free trial. Just click the first link in the description below and start your journey with Descript today.